This is our beautiful ClimaPod greenhouse. Very windy here today in Connecticut, but doesn't affect the greenhouse at all. We have the vents closed today because it is so windy, but they're very easy to just pop open. Great ventilation. It's very big. We have tons of storage. Tons of space, I should say, not storage. We have tomatoes growing, sunflowers, sweet bell peppers. Everything was started from seed. We have a few hundred plants in here right now. Some flowers up top there. Vegetables growing over here, habanero peppers. And as you can see, the greenhouse doesn't have a floor, so we put some crushed rock in here. It's great for drainage. And keep a small fan running in here during the day to keep it circulating, and a small heater out here at night. Gets a little cold sometimes, so you have to turn the heat on 1 to keep the chill out, keep your plants healthy. You don't want anything to freeze. And we have a simple seed starting station here. Some small herbs growing up top. Then we have all of this stuff here on heating pads. Everything grows very quickly. These were just planted last week, and as you can see, they already need to be transplanted. Some of them are already popping. That's some squash we got growing here, and some herbs that were just started about a week ago, so those weren't quite ready to pop yet. And this nice sturdy shelf there. It's nice to have the space up top for storage and for added plants, and then we just add all of these shelves. There's more tomatoes, more seeds germinating over here. And then we have our storage over here with extra pots and planters and pruners. We just put in some simple wooden steps to make it easier to get in and out for a ClimaPod, because it is a little bit raised off the ground. As you can see, the wooden frame in the back that we had built around it. But it's in great shape. We love it. Last year we grew a couple thousand plants out of here, and we're expected to do the same this year. So that's it. That's our little greenhouse.